This United Real Estate Infinity Property video is presented by Mercysardinas. Welcome to one of the nicest duplex in the area. This 3-bedroom and 3 full bathroom on each side and 2-car garage on each side. The AC on each side were replaced in 2018. The water systems have been replaced on the left side in 2019. Location is in the heart of Lehigh Acres. Easy access to main streets and stores. Close to 82 SR and I-75. Please make appointment today. For more information, review the details below or contact Mercysardinas at 756-564-6055.